In search of the perfect dining chair? Look no further than IKEA. IKEA offers a wide variety of dining chairs to suit any style and budget. Here are 10 of the best IKEA dining chairs to choose from. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect IKEA dining chairs for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the IKEA Jokkmokk table. This is another high-quality and elegant IKEA chair set that comes with a perfect table for the dining room. The 4 chairs will provide the best service for the whole family over years. The chairs are also in different colors, which you can easily choose from. With this, you will get the ideal color that will match the interior of your dining room. They are also simple to clean, as you only need to wipe with clean clothes. The quality wood construction makes them highly durable and ideal for long-term service. These chairs are also very sturdy and strong, which makes them ideal for all users. Besides this, they feature the solid spine and natural material that will age beautifully. This is one perfect set of IKEA dining chairs you never want to miss. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the East West Furniture NOAN 5 Oak C 5-piece kitchen dining room set. With this elegant and durable set of dining chairs, you will always enjoy reliable and convenient service. This is because the set provides you with 4 stable and durable chairs to serve for years. They are made using quality hardwood material, which will increase the lifespan of the chairs. Additionally, the chairs are also comfortable as they have cushioned seats that will provide added comfort. Besides the 4 chairs in the set, you also get a dining table that matches them perfectly. All the sets are very stable and strong due to the strong legs. They can easily be moved as they are lightweight seats that will serve you longer. The cost of these chairs is relatively lower and affordable. This is despite the quality construction. At number 3 on our list, we have the IKEA Wood Chairs Dining Room Kitchen Dinette 2 chairs. When you need a durable set of dining chairs that will serve longer, you should try out this set. With only 2 chairs in the set, you are assured of the best service and can serve couples perfectly and longer. They are built using the solid wood material, which makes them great for daily and durable use. Apart from this, the seats are also ideal for home use as they have been tested and approved to meet the requirements of the safety and durability. In addition to this, the 2 dining seats are comfortable, and with the sophisticated designs, they will assure you of top-notch services. This is one quality dining set that you never want to miss. They are affordable and ideal selection for all users. At number 4 on our list, we have the IKEA Ingolf Jr. chair. This is another quality and durable dining chair that will serve you longer. This is because the chair is designed with strong and steady metals. This implies that the legs can always accommodate more weight just as expected. They are also very comfortable chairs that any family will find appropriate for daily use. The chairs can be used in dining rooms, guest rooms, or any other place, hence versatile options. With a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds, the chair can easily serve different users. They have cushioned seats that are meant for bringing about additional comfort. Apart from this, the set of 4 chairs features soft rubber on the feet. This is the reason why they are friendly to the floor. They are also easily portable seats. At number 5 on our list, we have the 2 IKEA Kostby dining chair. Every time you think of buying the dining chairs, this is one quality and convenient dining chair that will serve you longer. The chair is constructed using premium material that gives it an elegant finish besides the durability. With this, it will always serve in any kitchen dining. The design also makes it easily portable, hence one great choice you never wish to miss. It is always sturdy and strong chair with solid pine to serve you longer. The chair is also simple to clean as you only need to use a damp and clean cloth to wipe off the dirt from the chair. Due to the sturdy and strong construction, the dining chair will provide more excellent and reliable service just as expected. The chair is also pocket-friendly and one that will suit your budget. At number 6 on our list, we have the IKEA Ingolf Jr. chair. Do you have a junior you may need additional support to reach the height of the dining table? You can now provide the junior an easy reach by getting this elegant and strong chair. The antique stain has been designed in a unique way, which will suit all juniors. It has strong and sturdy legs, which provides the ultimate support needed. In addition to this, the dining chair is very comfortable, and with the elegant design, it will offer the best height needed by all juniors. Despite the top-notch features, it is one affordable dining chair you will find convenient for your kid. It is also stylish, and with different colors to choose from, you will always find it appropriate for daily use. This chair is made using natural material for a long-term service. At number 7 on our list, we have the IKEA Junior Chair. Looking for a reliable and convenient dining chair for your junior? Look no further than the IKEA Dining Chair. Perfect for kids aged 3 years and older, this chair provides the appropriate height for the child while at the dining table. Additionally, it is made from quality materials, ensuring long-term use. Easily wipe the chair clean with a damp cloth, perfect for busy families. The chair is available in a variety of colors, so you're sure to find one that fits your style. Don't miss out on this great chair. At number 8 on our list, we have the GreenForest Acrylic Ghost Chairs Clear Dining Chairs. You always need to make sure that the dining chairs you are about to order are stable and sturdy. With this quality set of dining chairs, you will be offered durable and top-notch service. This is due to the fact that the chairs have strong metal legs for the ultimate stability. Secondly, the chairs feature the casual elegance design, which makes them ideal for every dining room. They have got a transparent seat in color, which makes them attractive and an ideal selection for all users. Other than this, the dining chairs have been recommended by experts as the best choice for any dining hall. Since a set contains a total of 4 chairs, it can serve the whole family perfectly. At number 9 on our list, we have the Dining Chairs set of 4 kitchen dining room chairs. Looking for a set of dining chairs that will last you a long time? Look no further than these chairs with sturdy metal legs. The set of 4 chairs is perfect for small families. The chairs feature a fabric cushion that provides ultimate comfort. They are also wear-proof and dirt-proof, making them a reliable choice. These dining seats are now available in different colors, so you can always find the right color for your home. Thanks to their elegant design, they also make a great gift choice. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Dining Chair Tufted Upholstered Scene Chair. Looking for some new dining chairs? These are some of the most popular options out there, recommended for their elegant design and soft, cushioned seats. With this set of 2 chairs, you'll have a long-lasting and convenient solution for your dining needs. They're also made with high-quality solid wood, ensuring that they'll stay strong and steady. Plus, the thick cushions make them extra soft and comfortable. And with their unique and stylish design, these chairs will fit right in with any modern dining room. Plus, they come in a variety of colors to make your selection process easier. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.